How to pay with cash on Doordash. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I've got a quick and super handy tutorial for you guys. Have you ever wondered how to pay with cash on Doordash? Well, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. For that, first of all, go ahead and open Doordash application in your mobile device. Now once you open it up, if you're not signed in already, you can go ahead and log in with your credentials. And if you are new to Doordash, no worries, just go ahead and sign up and create your account. It's quick and painless. Mine is already signed in, so I'm skipping that part. Now that you're on the home page, it's time to pick up your meal. Go ahead and browse through the restaurant and pick your favorite one. Now once you like an item that you would like to purchase, tap on the plus icon and it will get added to your cart. Now simply tap on the view cart option and then tap on continue. Now on the payment page, you'll see list of available payment options. If the restaurant you are ordering from accepts cash, you'll see the cash option listed right here. Just select it and confirm your order and then you'll be good to go. But if you don't see the cash option, it means that the particular restaurant does not accept cash payments. Don't freak out, you can always choose another payment method like card or Doordash credit, or try ordering from different restaurant that does accept cash. So that's it guys, paying with cash on Doordash is super easy as long as the restaurant allows it. I hope this tutorial was helpful and made your Doordash experience a little smoother. Thanks for watching till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.